everyone, today I'm going to share my thoughts on these incredible new earphones I picked up. First up, the comfort is insane. I can wear these for hours without any discomfort. They fit perfectly and they're so lightweight. But the real star here is the sound quality. It's just amazing. I hear details in my favorite songs I've never noticed before. With the noise cancelling, you can easily focus on the music you're listening to. They're also easy to carry. I've been taking it everywhere. Once you finish using it and don't want to put them into the bag, all you need to do is to fold it around your neck. Honestly, I couldn't be happier with these earphones. I highly recommend this. It comes in this white box with a streamlined style service. It just feels pretty much right from the start. And the earphones themselves, absolutely great. The design is so modern. The way the lighting shadow play across the surface creates this beautiful effect. It's really eye-catching. Ultimately, it's a combination of the comfort, beauty, and incredible sound quality that creates a truly immersive listening experience. I found myself just closing my eyes, putting on my favorite music, and completely relaxing. These earphones are perfect for that. They help you escape and just enjoy the moment.
Everything stays right where you left it. Everything stays until it changes ever so slightly.